Practice problems. Subtract. Be sure to line up the digits by place value. Okay, so for this first one, we have 684 minus 231. In the ones place all the way to the right, we have 4 minus 1 is 3. In the tens column, 8 minus 3 is 5. And all the way to the left, in the hundreds column, 6 minus 2 is 4, for a total of 453. Okay, for problem number 2, we have 975 minus 442. All the way to the right in the ones column, 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then 9 minus 4 is 5, for a total of 533. Problem 3, we have 748 minus 326. Starting to the right, 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4, for a total of 422. For number 4, we have 593 minus 170. Starting to the right, 3 minus 0 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4, for a total of 423. And for number 5, we have 864 minus 531. In the ones column, 4 minus 1 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is 3, for an answer of 333.